Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, to all traders, welcome back to Tradex. In today's video, I'm doing something raw and real. I'm recording a live trading session with BTC/USD. And if you're wondering how full-time traders like me enter their trades, you're in the right place. This is not some backtesting theory. This is live actual trading. So let's get into it. So I've now entered a sell order. So I'm in the trade already. It's running on the 15-minute time frame, and this is not some signal, like random signal or some magic indicator that tells me when to buy or sell. This is me using the Tradex entry formula. And if you're wondering what that is, you can check it out. The link's in the description box below. This formula is the exact way I catch high probability trades and setups that I can capitalize on. So, all right, moving on. So I took this trade right here after the market showed me clean break and retest structure. We're in a downtrend and BTC just gave me the perfect confirmation. I marked it out, placed the order, and now all we have to do is wait. All right, so while we're waiting, let's talk, because trading isn't just about entry and exit. I cannot sit in silence, okay? I just want to talk something. So, see, here's the thing. Most traders don't talk about. Why you're entering the trade is more important than how you're entering the trade. If you're copying signals from someone's Telegram or Discord, you're not learning. Bro, you're renting results. You're not owning them. You get what I'm saying? Because like trading is all about conviction, understanding the story behind the candles and creating a formula, that edge that works for you and fits into your lifestyle. Because that's actually what I teach in the Tradex entry formula. It's not some strategy that changes every week. It's a framework, a way of understanding price action, and in a way that fits into your lifestyle. You could be working a 9 to 5 in a college or trading full time. This works across all time frames and all markets. And with this exact strategy, this formula, I've made over 6 figures in trading. And I've documented it all on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check it out. All right, so the candle just pushed down super strong. Look at that, I'm liking this move. If it closes like this, then I might trail my sell and let it run further. And also, a quick side note that I want to talk about, if I don't know if you watched the other trade that I did, the previous trade that I took. So what happened was that I missed my full TP. Literally, I didn't have that patience to wait. And that was, like, I regretted that decision, because later on my original TP got hit. I just tightened my TP and took my profits out early off the table, but in the end it actually did hit my TP. So this time I'm going to be sticking to my TP. No overconfidence, just casually, calm, waiting for my TP to get hit. And if it hits my sell, it hits my sell. As simple as that can get. So, and yeah, that's why journaling is also very important. I journal every single one of my trades, wins and losses. So if you're not journaling, you're not learning, period. I wanted to mention that because it's very important. Because journaling literally 10x'd my process of trading. And by the way, if you're watching my videos, I just want to say thank you. This whole week has been super profitable. And it's not just because I traded 10 times a day. Nope, I actually cut down over trading. I only take my trades when my formula aligns. Back in the day, I used to overtrade like crazy. And the result, you already know what the result is. I've blown accounts, burnt out, all of that stuff when you overtrade. But now I trade when I see an opportunity. The rest of the time, I'm either improving my system, filming content for you guys, or just like living my life. That's what I do normally. And also, I just launched this free weekly news breakdowns on my Discord for both Forex and crypto. If you're not there yet, what are you doing? It's free, so go ahead and join us at Tradex. The link's in the description box. I break down both Forex and crypto news and how it could affect the market, all in plain English, the way that you can actually understand, okay? And I've just uploaded them, so you guys can go check them out. So I'm gonna do this every week and crypto every day. All right, so let's wait. Hold on. Wow, yes, TP hit. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. Oh my God, absolutely beautiful. It like crushed my TP. That's how you do it. It was clean entry, clean exit, and no emotions. All right, this trade like literally took like 40 minutes from entry to close. My last trade was over 2 hours long. But again, it all depends on the market movement and the market structure. So that's the power of understanding the market. No guessing, no hoping, just calculated execution. Let's go. All right. Now that the trade is closed, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log this data into my journal. And if you want the same template that I'm using, just DM us Tradex Journal on Instagram and I'll send you a free version of this journal. And if you like it, then you can upgrade it later. And yeah. And if you're grinding alone, stop it. Trading doesn't have to be a lonely journey. And because it was for me, I didn't have the right community, the right people to network with, and the right friends to talk to, especially in trading. So this is going to be helping you a lot, especially a community with like-minded individuals like yourself. So yeah, you can talk to people, you can ask questions, you can share your trade ideas and your trades here. The community is growing, and there's also a full server breakdown. So once you join, you'll kind of get that video of the full server breakdown. So you won't be lost in the community. And I'm also working on a ton of crypto videos, so stay tuned and subscribe because trust me, you don't want to miss out all the sauce that I'm going to be dropping. And yeah, stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and comment below if you took any trades this week or literally any questions that you want to ask me. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.